In the new Fast and Furious movie, there's a fuel tanker scene that's so unreal, it's best not to think about it too much and just enjoy the action. Still, to make the scene seem at least plausible, the picture car department came up with this seriously beefed up 67 Chevy truck. In the movie, it's supposed to be a diesel, but in reality it's powered by a 502 cubic inch gasoline burning V8. The rear suspension is a giant ladder bar setup with airbags, and those rear tires are the biggest and widest the picture car department could find.